Many communities realize the importance of preventative maintenance, and they do initiate preventative maintenance measures. For example, maybe your condominium complex has some hydrojetting to ensure that your plumbing lines are regularly cleared. Others do roof maintenance to protect and preserve the roof. Well, you as individual owners also can and should engage in preventative maintenance measures for items that fall within the boundaries of your own unit. Some of those things include dryer duct cleanout. Many of the communities that we manage do participate in community-wide dryer duct cleanouts and offer bulk pricing to our homeowners. If your community doesn't currently do that, remember, as a homeowner, if you do have a dryer, it is best practices to make sure that you clean out your dryer duct at least once a year. Something that simple and inexpensive can easily turn into a catastrophe. I've also seen many disasters starting from grease kitchen fires. These are things that also need to be addressed by individual homeowners and regularly cleaned to prevent major disasters and catastrophes. There are many little things that you can do inside your unit to take preventative maintenance measures and prevent big catastrophes that can be costly, not just for you, but for other members within your community. Be safe out there.